Hello everyone. This tutorial is about mail merge. So first let's just use a template from Microsoft Word. Let's search for a cover letter. Let's scroll down and look for, maybe this one. We'll use this. I'll click on it and click on create. So pag sinabi nyong mail merge, it's a function in Microsoft Word kung saan, let's say, may letter ka na kailangang masend sa multiple people. So instead of doing it manually, you can use the mail merge function. So papakita ko sa inyo paano nyo gawin ito. Let's just change this one, customize this into ID Toolbox, and then delete this here. Then, baba natin to. And then, let's just change this one into YouTube channel. Here, let's put IT related tutorials. And then here, let's remove this one. Here, let's change this into IT Toolbox _ Pinas. We can just leave the rest. Let's just assume na napalitan na natin to. So again, pag sinabi mong mail merge, ito yung feature ng Microsoft Word, which is makikita nyo dito sa mailings na tab. And then ito, start mail merge. So it creates one document and send it to multiple people. So you can insert fields like name or address. Word will create a copy for each recipient and replace those fields with that person's info. So let's say, for example, nag-a-apply ka ng work and you need to send your CV and application letter to multiple companies. You can use this mail merge feature. Kailangan nyo lang palitan yung information ng bibigyan nyo ng letter nyo. As you can see dito yung recipient name, title, company, address, and zip code and city ng recipient. Ito, tatanggalin natin kasi dito natin ilalagay yung mga addresses ng papadalhan nyo, for example, ng application. So dito, gagamitin natin yung list of addresses na ginawa natin from the previous tutorial, yung naka-table. So, yung table na yon na ginawa natin from the previous exercise ay may nakalist na information ng 3 tao. So, yun yung gagamitin natin dito for example purposes. So, what we need to do is clear up this space here. Kasi dito natin ilalagay yung addresses nung pagbibigyan natin. So, first you have to go to Mailings and then start mail merge and then click on step-by-step mail merge wizard. So may lalabas na wizard dito sa right side. So since we're working on letter, so make sure nakaselect to. By default nakaselect naman siya. And then click on next. So this is the step 2. So this is for us to select starting document. So again, default, use the current document. Next is click on the next step. So for the select recipients, since we already have a list, we need to select this use an existing list option. And then click on browse. Ngayon, let's locate the address table na ginawa natin from the previous exercise. and then click on open. So as you can see, ito yung mga list of recipients. Ito yung mga tinype natin from the previous topic. So make sure na naka-check to. Itong lahat ng to kasi since sila lahat yung papadalhan natin. And then click on OK. Once it's done, click on next. And we need the address block. So let's click on it. And then nandito si John Smith at yung address niya. Pero wala yung contact number and email, hindi na-detect. Pero dapat by default, na-detect yon. But in this case, hindi na-detect. Kailangan natin siyang i-match manually. So all you have to do is click on Match Fields. And then, so ito yung mga label na required for this address block. So we have the name, yung last name, address, and let's scroll down. May optional information sa baba. Email natin, na-detect niya, pero di niya na-display dito sa preview. So let's just select this part here, phone number. So kahit address yung nakalagay sa label, okay lang. And dito sa kabila is email. Kasi hindi naman niya na-detect yung nasa optional information sa baba. What we need is makikita natin sa preview yung data. Kasi kung ito lang makikita nyo sa preview, name and address lang, yun lang din yung lalabas sa address block natin once we finish the mail merge. So, kailangan ma-match natin sila manually, yung lahat ng columns natin. So, again, okay lang kahit iba yung label. Once you're done, click on the OK button. So, ngayon, naka-display na yung other information. And then, let's click on OK. As you can see, ito na yung address block natin. Ito pa lang muna makikita nyo kasi hindi pa tayo tapos. Click on next. Preview. So, ito na yung address ng pagbibigyan natin. So, pwede nyong i-browse dito. Click nyo lang to, previews and next, para makita nyo yung names and addresses ng papadalhan nyo. Pwede rin dito. You can also print this. Click nyo lang yung next dito. And then click on print. So sa pag-print nyo, may 3 pages yan kasi may 3 tayong recipient. So again, when you print it, kung ilan yung recipient sa nalinlagay nyo for the mail merge, ganun din yung number of pages na makikita nyo. 1 page, 1 recipient. So that's how easy it is to create mail merge. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.